Hello, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Lux Infant, and today I'm gonna show my Pokemon. Some of my top Pokemon. I want to show you my special one. Okay, here you go. It's an actual gold Pokemon card. I'm gonna read you what it says. Pokemon Mouse. When several of these Pokemon gather, their electric could build cause lightning storm. And it says evolve Pikachu, Raichu, Thunderstorm. And this was made in 1999, China. That actually real gold. Yeah, it's a pretty thick wire. And of course, it's Pikachu. Okay. Now I'm gonna give us the. Maybe I'm gonna let you read that name. You can't really see it well. It looks like it's just a 2. It's actually 200. Okay, 200 health. Of course, I have a Pokemon. Here it is. I don't know what kind of Pokemon this is. It kind of looks like a fox. And I've got a V-Star. Huh. Okay. Then I have Vulpix right here. 190 health. And the next one I'm going to show you isn't that really rare. It's a fake one. The Pikachu, he just has 60 health. It's fake, of course. But it does look pretty cool. A whole bunch of Pikachus. And then, of course, I got an Arceus. 10,000 health. There we go. Big. Thick. And I got this guy. 330 health. Okay, then I'm going to be showing you my other Pokemon of my Pokemon. Cubone! He's sad because he's away at his mother's school. His mother died. And I have this one. I don't know what the name is. I have another Pikachu. That one. Oh. Oh, wait, that's not the one. That's a different one. Where did it go? I think I traded it. Yep, I traded it. There's actually a Pokemon and and it revolves from Shinx and it's called Luxio. I don't know why I traded it. That's stupid. Oh. And Ladybug. Not one of my favorites. Dabble. And it took me like about a week to get this Pokemon card. was back in the day. Snorlax. Wait, Snorlax. And these are my favorite Pokemon balls. Bum, 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 bum. Dream Ball and Beast Ball. I don't know what other ones. Guess that's all of them, guys. Yeah, give me 1 second. And Oscar, if you're watching this right now, you've been bugging me about these Pokemon cards. Okay. Like and subscribe, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.